vegan mum, and this is just a quick one. But before I get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much. I'm over 100 subscribers now, so please hit that subscribe button so we can get to 200 subscribers. So it's lunchtime for me. I've been really piggy. I've ate a lot over the weekend. I was at my niece's baby shower, so I can't eat too much. So it's lunchtime. I'm not going to overeat. I'm going to calm down. So I had a cabbage, and I had some plantain, and I had some avocado. So I thought, let me make something with it all. Oh, and I've got some coriander. So this is me just trying to throw something together that is still a little bit healthy, and to kind of counteract what I ate over the weekend, which will draw a veil over. I'm not going to share with you what I ate. Sugar. So guys, this recipe I'm going to call cabbage and plantain sinting, or sitting, because I don't know what to call it. Let's get into it. So first of all, I've got the cabbage. I'm going to wash the cabbage. Now, you know, a lot of these things have a lot of pesticides in. So normally when I wash my cabbages and my fruit, I wash it in bicarbonate of soda. And basically what that does is just get rid of some of those pesticides. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's worth it. So that is the cabbage washed, and then I'm going to slice it. I'm going to make it like a hot thing. I've got my plantain already roasting in the oven, so I'm not frying it. No, not frying it. It's quite a lot, but as you know, it will shrink. So here's our cabbage. Ta-da! And I'm gonna steam it for 5 minutes. So while that's steaming, I'm gonna slice my avocado, and I'm gonna also wash this coriander and add some of that to my cabbage. Now I know some people don't like cabbage, but I like cabbage, and cabbage is really good for you. Dark green leafy. So here I am, I'm washing the coriander, and then I'm gonna slice it up. This is just a way of putting some flavour. I don't normally put salt in my veg. I try and add the flavour using herbs. And now that's steaming, I'm just gonna slice my avocado and make it part of the garnish. So this is it. It's really simple. As I said, it's lunchtime. I've got a million things to do, so I don't want to spend loads of time preparing food, but I do want to eat, and I want to eat quickly, get on with my work before I have to go and pick up my beautiful cherubs from school. I have sliced the avocados. Let me show you. As I said, I've been baking my plantain, and I'm going to slice that up. I'm going to make a quick dressing for it. I've got my apple cider vinegar, a little bit of that, and then some olive oil, homemade seasonal. I made it myself and put it in the bottle. This is really nice. Black onion seeds, some herbs. You can add some soy sauce just to give it extra vibrations. Some garlic powder, but you could do fresh in your bottle. Give it a shake. Very, very hot. Plantain, as you can see, it's split, which is good. It's nice and hot. It's lovely. Woohoo! It's hot. Plantain is nicely sliced. I think cabbage is cooked. And then I've got some scallion, spring onion. Simple things. 5 minutes already happened with the cabbage. It's already steamed down nicely, but I don't want it to be too soft. Again, al dente. We just want to kind of take the raw off of it. So here is the cabbage. Beautiful, beautiful. And now we're going to add all our elements. I'm going to add my plantain to my cabbage. Then I'm going to add my avocado. I love being a vegan. I just make stuff up. And then I'm going to add the spring onion. Sauce that we just made, I'm going to pour it over. Delicious. And then finally, I'm just going to add some yeast flakes. Definitely make sure there's some flavour going on. And that is my lunch. So guys, I've had a very busy week as usual. I'm going to show you excerpts of it now. Thank you.
We thank thee for the gracious mercy and blessing.
Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green.
And guys, this is my lunch. Delicious, flavorful, didn't take up the whole afternoon to make, fresh from scratch, really, really good. Let me try it. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Zoom, 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 zoom. And the plantain is delicious. So I've got over 100 subscribers. I'm looking for 200 now, guys. Can we do it? Can you just press that subscribe button and get me to 200? See you very soon.
Rainbow